Begawan's third Mansur Heritage Rice Harvest has taken place in the rice fields owned by farmers who have collaborated in our community-based farming initiative. These farmers have made a commitment to leave the long-established conventional practices involving the intensive use of agrochemicals and adopt regenerative methods that prioritize soil health. With fertile soil and sustainable practices, the ecosystem has thrived, a fact acknowledged by Leo, a collaborative farmer from Begawan since 2022.
Sepanjang pakai kimia itu nggak pernah aku kelihatan capung kayak ini. Tuh, sekarang udah ada mulai ada capung. Terima kasih dari yayasan untuk sawah saya dipakai organik, itu manfaatnya besar sekali itu.
The restoration of fertile land has had a positive impact on the local community. Begawan also extends its heartfelt gratitude to all parties involved in supporting our program.